Anybody knows what show is this?
It is Rescue.
What is Mouse?
Rescue is a play to play. Sorry, assemble the toys. Yes, we have to play together. So can they play? Thank you for remind me.
Anybody knows the rules of playing?
Share with your friend. Don't throw the toys. Don't throw the toys. Don't scramble the toys. Don't connect the toys.
Good job, Soleh. We can continue playing.